Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Dwight Nelson. And if you guys don't know who Dwight Nelson is, he is the former Minister of National Security. And the article says, former Minister of National Security Dwight Nelson is dead. Nelson died at home last night surrounded by family members. It's the only way and the best way to go. Surrounded by people that love you from the heart and love you genuinely. He was 72 years old. Nelson, who held the national security portfolio during the May 2010 West Kingston massive operation to apprehend strongman Christopher Dudis Coke, had been ailing for some time. Nelson's death was confirmed a short while ago by a senior member of the government Jamaica Labour Party, which he served in several capacities before walking away in 2015. In a Gleaner interview when he left the political stage, Nelson described his time in politics from his first appointment to Senate in 1983 as being oftentimes controversial but at all times satisfying. From sitting at Irish Town with Edith Nelson, Lady and Sir Alexander Bustamante, to visiting Sir Donald Songsters in Montreal, to being a confidant for a youth sharer and working associate for Edward Seaga and Bruce Golding, and the chief of staff for Andrew Holness, said Nelson. A trade unionist by profession, Nelson also spearheaded the bipartisan approach in forging the first social partnership pact with the public sector's workers. Noting that he functioned in the capacity of Senior Vice President of Bustamante Industrial Trade Union, then as a director in the Malton Group of Companies, and as a minister with responsibilities for public service in the Ministry of Finance. Nelson said no other person has represented a managerial level, labor, capital, and government. And he served a very, very big role, dynamic role in our government. This man worked with Sir Alexander Bustamante, Donald Songsters, Edward Seaga, Bruce Golding, and Andrew Holness. So he has seen our political parties from the inception, basically. And he has played a very great role in Jamaican government. So condolence goes out to his family, condolence to his work associates, everybody that has worked with him. He will be greatly missed. So rest in peace, Mr. Nelson, and live in peace, love, and harmony. Hubby also had a loss in his family, so it's quite sad right now. Please love everyone that you're around. Keep them close to you and tell them you love them every day. And we have new merch drop on both my channel and hubby's channel, so check that out. This is the only merch you'll ever see with our face on it, okay? So grab it quick because it's limited edition and it's not gonna be here long. And it's also for a great purpose because half of the funds is going to be donated to a charity in Jamaica very, very soon. And you guys will be a part of that. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing all the dope pictures. Follow me on Instagram at Brains and the Beat. On Instagram, it's in the description box as always. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to keep up to date with my videos because YouTube is going through some changes and our subscribers are not getting notified.